In this video, we listed the 5 best folding keyboard on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ProtoArc XK01 Keyboard. The ProtoArc XK01 is a folding wireless keyboard designed with a full-size layout and scissor switches for quiet and efficient typing. It offers the convenience of syncing up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth, making it compatible with various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. The keyboard is rechargeable with a long standby time and features sturdy aluminum construction for durability. Its portable design, with non-slip pads for stability, makes it suitable for use anywhere, whether in a cafe, library, or while traveling. With easy connectivity and switching between devices, the ProtoArc XK01 offers a versatile and convenient typing solution for users on the go. Number 2. Miffy X MIPOW Keyboard. The MIPOW MPC002 MF Pound is a foldable Bluetooth wireless keyboard that boasts being the lightest and slimmest in the world, with a thickness of 3.5 mm and weighing only 150 g. Featuring a full-size keypad layout, ergonomic design, and a unique concave and convex keycap design for comfortable and efficient typing, this keyboard is designed for day-long usage. It is compatible with multiple systems including Windows, Apple iOS, and Android, along with Bluetooth-enabled devices like phones, tablets, laptops, Apple TV, and smart TVs. The keyboard features smart magnetic wake-up, sleep functionality, 65 keys with 120 functions, a battery life of up to 120 days on standby, and comes with a leather pouch for easy portability. Overall, the MIPOW folding keyboard offers a convenient and versatile typing solution for users on the go. Number 3. Seenda Wireless Keyboard. The Seenda Wireless Keyboard and Mouse combo offers a convenient and efficient solution for your desktop setup. The keyboard and mouse come with USB-A, BT1, BT2, 3 connection channels, allowing up to 3 devices to be connected simultaneously and easily switch between them, freeing up desk space. The set is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, making it versatile for various devices. The rechargeable keyboard and mouse have a long battery life of up to 200 hours and feature ergonomic designs for comfortable typing and usage. The mouse is sleek, noiseless, and offers 3 DPI settings to cater to different needs. With a 12-month warranty, this Seenda combo provides a reliable and stylish option for your computing needs. Number 4. AVATTO Wireless Keyboard. The AVATTO Portable Quadruple Folding Wireless Bluetooth Keyboard is a versatile and stylish keyboard designed for modern professionals who prioritize portability and convenience. With a full-size layout in a compact, quadruple folding design, it offers a seamless typing experience for those always on the go. The inclusion of a foldable touchpad, larger than previous models, enhances navigation without the need for a separate mouse. It boasts universal compatibility with iOS, Android, and Windows devices, featuring 3 Bluetooth channels for easy device switching. The keyboard's durable full-grain leather covering adds a touch of luxury while protecting against wear and tear. With an impressive 50-hour battery life and seamless connectivity, the AVATTO keyboard is a blend of functionality, style, and durability, enhancing productivity on any device. Number 5. AULA M75 Keyboard. The keyboard offered by Unicorn 3C Store features keycap printing through dye sublimation on PBT plastic keycaps, with hot swappable switches and multicolor backlighting. It is not a full-size keyboard and comes with a package. The store provides a 30-day return or replacement guarantee for unused, undamaged items in their original packaging, with return, replacement costs covered by the buyer. Payment options include Alipay, West Union, and TT, with orders to be completed within 3 days. Pre-order products may require up to 30 days for shipment preparation. Customers are encouraged to provide feedback, with incentives for positive reviews and offers of assistance for any issues experienced. Communication is emphasized as the best approach for problem solving.